Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a question a lot of people are asking. Does Chime let you borrow money like Cash App? If you're looking for fast access to cash or ways to cover unexpected expenses, this video is for you. We'll break down exactly how Chime works, how it compares to Cash App, and what options you have if you need money quickly. First, let's clarify what we mean by borrowing money. Apps like Cash App allow users to borrow a small amount of cash through features like Cash App loans. These loans are often short-term, flexible, and come with certain eligibility requirements. So, the question is, does Chime offer something similar? Chime is primarily a financial app that offers checking and savings accounts with no hidden fees. One of their most popular features is SpotMe. SpotMe is Chime's overdraft service. It lets eligible members make debit card purchases that exceed their balance up to a certain limit. Think of it as a small, no-interest advance. Here's how SpotMe works. If you qualify, Chime will allow you to overdraft your account up to $200 at no cost. That means if you have $50 in your account and need to pay $100, SpotMe will cover the difference. The best part? There are no interest charges. Unlike a traditional loan, you simply repay the amount when your next deposit comes in. However, unlike Cash App's short-term loan system, Chime doesn't offer cash you can withdraw directly as a loan in all cases. SpotMe is tied to your debit card transactions. So, while you can pay bills or make purchases, you can't just request $100 in cash to withdraw at an ATM, unless your account has enough balance, or you receive a direct deposit that increases your limit. To qualify for SpotMe, Chime requires that you receive at least $200 in monthly direct deposits. They also assess your account activity and history, which determines your SpotMe limit. The more you use your account responsibly, the higher your limit can grow over time. So, if you're hoping to borrow like Cash App, your ability to use SpotMe effectively depends on your account usage. Now let's talk about the differences between Chime and Cash App when it comes to borrowing. Cash App loans give you more direct access to cash that you can use freely, while Chime's SpotMe is primarily for overdrafting card transactions. Cash App may charge interest or fees depending on your repayment plan, whereas Chime's SpotMe is interest-free, which is a big advantage if you qualify. Another important point, Chime also offers early direct deposit. This isn't borrowing per se, but it can help you access your paycheck up to 2 days early, which is a lifesaver if you're running low on cash. Combine this with SpotMe, and you have a powerful set of tools to manage short-term cash flow without taking on debt with interest. So, can you borrow money from Chime like Cash App? Technically, yes, but with some caveats. You can overdraw your account with SpotMe, but it's limited to debit card transactions, and your eligibility depends on account activity. Unlike Cash App, you can't request a standalone cash loan outside of these parameters. If you're considering Chime as an alternative to Cash App for borrowing, here's what you should do. Make sure you have regular direct deposits of at least $200. Monitor your SpotMe limit and use it responsibly. Take advantage of early direct deposit to reduce the need for borrowing. Understand that SpotMe is tied to purchases, not direct cash withdrawals. In conclusion, Chime is a great tool for managing your money and covering small, unexpected expenses through SpotMe. It's not exactly the same as Cash App loans, but for many users, it offers a safer, interest-free way to borrow money when needed. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover how to maximize your SpotMe limit on Chime. Thanks for watching, and remember, managing your money wisely is the best way to borrow smartly.